A lot of times in our business, we're doing things that are custom for every customer. Having a little extra time in other places allows us to develop things to make our processes faster and better. We use Autodesk a lot. We're really used to it. We've been using it for a long time. But being able to take our models from Autodesk and working with ANSYS to get a better idea of how things are working is really beneficial for us and has really started us down this path of we actually know.
Things like CFD analysis, it just opens doors for us, and it's been very successful for us to be able to then take what we've modeled, and if we're unsure, put it through the Fluent CFD analysis and see if we're unsure. And in fact, one of our customers said, hey, if it's working here, how about we look at this, and now look at this. And so it's expanded some of the things they want to see.
And being able to work with KETIV, they helped us out a lot to decide what ANSYS package was the best for us. They were able to help us out with getting our engineer up to speed. Really the key thing for us with starting to use ANSYS is to allow us to make our stuff better. That's allowing us to help go back to Autodesk and design things a little bit different and a lot better so that we're actually getting what we want, and it is the most efficient, and it allows us to either reduce costs of materials or reduce cost of energy.
One of the premier pieces of equipment for Rayco is our oil miser system, and traditionally we've used cyclones in order to do oil separation from that equipment. We got to a point where we were kind of slowed down from an engineering standpoint to be able to go to market because we wanted to make sure all of the calculations and everything were correct. Once we were able to utilize ANSYS as a tool and a resource, it sped that up, and we were actually able to bring that to market this year. This is a process that had been in place for about 3 to 5 years. And so this technology allowed us to kind of push it to market much faster than we traditionally have.
So if ever we're wanting to test something, that can be anywhere from like a 6 month to a year later that we actually see the results of that. So having ANSYS to be able to just model something, put it in ANSYS, and whether it's that day or maybe a couple days from then, allows us to take that turnaround time of 6 months or a year and shorten it to 2 weeks or even days. It gives us better ideas, and the customers are going to be more happy with what we give them because it actually works the first time.